Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia, NPN 2341226 from class AKT 23A. In this video, I will explain the topic characteristic and management of decision making. In this course of decision making theory, decision making is not only about choosing an alternative, but it also has certain characteristics that distinguish it from other managerial activities. One of the main characteristics of decision making is that it is goal-oriented. This means that every decision is made to achieve a specific objective or to solve a particular problem. Without a clear goal, the decision-making process may become unfocused and ineffective. Another characteristic is that decision-making involves multiple alternatives. A decision cannot exist without choice. So, the presence of different options is essential in the process. In addition, decision making is a dynamic and continuous process. It does not occur only once, but rather it evolves over time as new information and situation arise. This makes decision making highly adaptable to change in environment. Another important characteristic is that decision making involves uncertainty and risk. In many real life situations, decision makers do not have complete information, so they must deal with probabilities and possible outcomes. This is why the ability to analyze risk is very important in making effective decisions. Decision making is also influenced by both internal and external factors. Internal factors include personal values, experience, knowledge, and cognitive abilities of the decision maker. External factors, on the other hand, include organizational culture, market condition, competition, and technological change. These factors shape how decisions are made and what outcome can be expected. In terms of management, decision making plays a central role in all managerial functions, include planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. In the planning function, managers make decisions about goals and the strategies to achieve them. in organizing decisions are made regarding research, allocation, and tax distribution. In leading, managers decide how to motivate and guide employees. In controlling, decisions are related to evaluating performance and taking corrective action when necessary. Effective decision management requires a structured approach. Managers need to follow systematic steps such as identifying problems, analyzing data, generating alternatives, and evaluating outcomes. In addition, good decision management also involves communication and collaboration. In many organizations, decisions are not made individually but involve teams or groups. Group decision making can provide diverse perspectives, but it may also lead to challenges such as conflict or groupthink, where individuals conform to group opinions without critical evaluation. Another important aspect of managing decisions is the use of tools and techniques. Managers often use quantitative methods such as decision trees, cost-benefit analysis, and forecasting models to support their decisions. These tools help in improving accuracy and reducing uncertainty. At the same time, qualitative judgment and experience remain important, especially in complex and uncertain situations. Time management is also crucial in decision making. Some decisions require quick action, while others need careful analysis and long-term consideration. Managers must be able to balance speed and accuracy in making decisions. Poor timing can result in missed opportunities or increased risk. In conclusion, decision making has several key characteristics such as being goal-oriented, involving alternatives, dynamic, and influenced by uncertainty and various factors. At the same time, managing decisions effectively is essential for organizational such as it is closely related to all managerial functions. By understanding both the characteristic and management of decision making in individuals and managers can improve their ability to make better, more informed, and more strategic decisions. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.